To this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hyperlapse edit on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, tap on new project, then select your particular videos, tap on add button. Okay, now basically you have to increase the speed. Now let's see how the video looks now. Okay, if I just tap on it, tap on the speed, go to the normal and increase its speed to 3 times, let's say. Okay, or it may be more like 5 times. Okay, maybe more, a little bit. 7 times is okay. Then go to the second clip and do it same, like that type. Now tap on the white portion here in the middle. That means you have to add transition. Okay, now tap on the camera, use the rotate one, rotate CC. Okay, now let's see how it looks, the final result. So that's how it looks actually, though it was buffering, but it is definitely looking better. So that's how you can do it. You can add many more clips, and that's how it works. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.